boy LSRod254, man. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn little box Chevy dude. Like I told y'all, the undisputed Central Texas box Chevy junkyard person. I ain't been bringing y'all one because ain't nothing been in the yard, and I apologize. That's unfortunately something I don't have no control over. But this morning, before I go to work, man, we finna go make a trip. We're gonna take a trip for the C10. Let's get into it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Alright, what's up? We back. Like I was saying before, I had to stop by the ATM. Like I said, we're gonna make a run for the C10 this morning. I got a couple hours before I gotta be at work or whatever, so I'm finna try to go secure this deal, man. You may be thinking, what are we about to go do? Well, you about to find out in just a minute. In the meantime, in between time, I like to tell you to make sure that you check out our sponsors, LSX Innovations. Use the code LSCR free ship for 10% off your free shipping. From LSX Innovations, they have everything you need for your LS swap needs. The other sponsor, which has the C10 looking like it do, because you got that Oh My Clear on there from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you use that code LSCR10 for 10% off your purchase of the Oh My Clear. But when you see it, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. So make sure y'all click that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then make sure you also hit the bell so you don't miss none of these updates. But yeah, so the basically what I'm finna go do, man, I'm finna go check out some wheels for the C10. Yeah, I know I said I was gonna stay on stocks, but a recent development has come up. So I was looking at the price of what I would pretty much have to pay for like another. Yeah, I was basically looking at what I would have to pay for a set of a set of tires. If I did a set of tires on them stocks all the way around, I'm looking at maybe like $400. Although I already bought one, you know what I'm saying, all in all, that's what I would be out of. And then an opportunity arose. So hold on, I gotta get my GPS out popping because I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Yeah, so GPS. But no, like I was saying, alright, full history. Yeah, so basically, like I was saying, so yeah, I was gonna be out maybe like four something, you know what I'm saying? Getting tires for the rallies. Like I said, don't quote me, whatever, you know what I'm saying? The rallies look good. The rallies look good, but the rallies more so look good when the truck is black. Now that the truck is a different color, which is like a deep cherry looking color. I don't remember the actual name of the color. I had to get that from my boy Cortez. Shout out to my boy Cortez. Yeah, being I don't know the actual name of the color, but now it's like conflicting. All right, and so you know what I mean. You know, I know people that know people, man, and I think I may have ran across a deal on some wheels for the C10. So we gonna see, man. We gonna see. We is gonna see. So I'll catch y'all back on when we get there. Hey man, so I apologize. I forgot all about getting y'all the footage, man, when we got there. So this is me getting home with them tight footage. You know what I mean? Talk to the guy. You know what I'm saying? Work something out. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Let me show you what I got, man. Let me grab it out of here, and y'all let me know what y'all think about these wheels for the C10 dog. Ooh, down 2, down 3, because that's gonna be the thumbnail right there. Yeah, nigga. All right, so let me show you the goddamn debut right here. It's going down right here on the LS Chevrolet 254 channel. Yeah, man. Hey, what we're working with, we got down 22 inch on them two DC 295 25 22s. It is not a game. It is not a game. Yes, sir. That shit wider than my hand, my boy. That's almost a 300. Do you see that? That's crazy. 295, 25s. That's a little, I mean, that's a little bit probably lower profile than I would like, but we'll make it work. And then in the front, oh no, this is the other back tire, 295, 25. For whatever, I think it came off. I think he said it came off of a bubble Chevy. So some of the clearance issues that was having, we won't have them on the truck. And then of course for up front, the only thing is I gotta get the center cap for this one, but I believe they still make them. I'm gonna reach out to the company and get the center caps for the front. Yeah, in the front, we'll be running a 255/30. Yeah, man. So it's gonna be a decent upgrade all the way around, man. I cannot wait. All the tires are decent. I'm saying all the tires are decent, good tread and stuff. The only tire that is lacking is this one. And I think what it is just dry rotted because he had a blowout. He had a blowout on it, so we are going to have to go get this tire replaced. Which 255 was it? 255/30. What was it? 255/25. Yeah, 255/30s in the front, and then those 295/25s in the back. Like, that's gonna look crazy. Let's go put one on the car or on the truck. And we'll have them. Oh yeah, and them bad boys is staggered. Yeah, see, and them bad boys is staggered. Got a little bit of a lip up there. Yeah, we living our best life out there, bitch. Yeah. Y'all smash that like button, man. Let me know what y'all think. Woo! Did your boy do good or did your boy do good? I know there ain't no forges, but y'all know I don't do forges. like a thin wall socket for me to get that on there. But I am gonna back up and let y'all see the vision of what it's gonna look like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're gonna have to paint the damn drum, but oh yeah. Yes, sir. And I mean, 22s are a little small. Honestly, we could probably go with some thicker tires. But they already wide as hell. Let's look at that. Check out that ass from the back. So yeah, oh yeah, that looks good, man. That looks real good. Like I said, we shouldn't have an issue. You can see back here, that's where the rear of that is, so we shouldn't have no issue when that comes down. I just have to, like I said, I just have to get a different socket. Just put them wheels on there. Yeah, man, that looks, I like it. It ain't even like all the way down. We definitely gonna have to like drop that bitch a little bit, at least a shackle flip or something. Maybe, you know, maybe we put it like a little tilt on that bitch. I don't know. But yeah, I think they look good. Like I said, it's really kind of hard to tell with it up in the air, but it'll look better. I'm sure of it. I am sure of it. So yeah, man, let me know down in the comments what y'all think. And we'll go from there, man. I think that looks much better. Much better. Like I said, we will have to paint them drums behind there. But overall, like, them shits is blinging. Like, I don't even know if the camera is, like, I don't know, the camera might be, I don't even know if I can adjust it like that, but yeah. Yes, sir. And I'm pretty sure these 295 tires is not fucking cheap. So definitely getting a deal. Definitely getting a deal. I don't know. We might finna kill the game, nigga. Kill the game. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all watching, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Make sure you hit that bell icon, man. 10,000 subscriber giveaway is coming. So make sure you share these videos. Let's get up to 10,000, man, and get this giveaway going. It's your boy, LSRY254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Hi, what's going on, guys? You know, it's your boy, LSRY254. I know, this is like after the credits and everything like that. This is like a hidden jewel. Hashtag hidden jewel. Put it in the comments if you watched it all the way to the end. To the end. So, being that you watched it all the way to the end, let me show you this little sneak peek. I did go ahead and find a socket so that I could go ahead and tighten this wheel down and let the truck down so we can see exactly how it fit. How it's looking. Now, there is quite a bit of room There is quite a bit of room. However, uh, I think it's cool. Eventually down the line, I can put a bigger tire on it with more sidewall. But I mean, I'm satisfied with how it looks. Uh, bigger picture. While I would like a thicker sidewall. I mean, the width of the tire is great. I mean, from the back, like I said, from the back, that bitch looks beautiful. Like, yeah, like little shit, big shit popping. So, I definitely think I like and love the look of them. It's just, I kind of wish I had a thicker tire on there. But, down the line, we'll get that fixed. Also, I mean, if we bring the truck down some, that'll probably help with filling up some of that space. I mean, there is like a huge ass gap right there. So, I mean, at least we won't have to worry about rubbing all that shit. I mean, I have seen people put 26 and 28s on these, no problem. But I mean, honestly, this probably leaves a bigger gap than the stocks did. Well, maybe not. I mean, it leaves a gap, but it has a bling to it too. And like I said, I just like the way that those wheels look on the truck. So this style, the price had to be right for your boy, and everything like that. So one more out the gate. You know what I'm saying? C10 is coming up on dick with everybody else. Couldn't leave the C10 out, man. Like, I don't know, man. Like, so yeah, we're looking to doing like an axle flip or whatever. To lower the back end or whatever that shit, man. All my C10 truck guys, man, y'all chime in, let me know. So, all right, man. Appreciate y'all watching all the way to the end. It's your boy, LSRod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Y'all get 2 intros. Y'all get 2 outros in one video. Remember, hashtag Hidden Jewel.